Hello, traders. FS Pep Collector here. Today is Monday, July 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I'm still looking at this as a W, three waves up, three waves down for an X, and I still think it's going to make three waves up, A, B, C of wave Y, which I think is more likely to go up to around the 78% Fibonacci extension. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, a wave A and a wave C of wave Y should be a trend. I think this is a wave A, definitely a trend. This right here is a WXY, which I think is a wave B, definitely fits really well. Then I think this is a 1 of C. I think this is three waves down, 2 of C. And I still think these higher time frames, like the weekly time frame, is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows in a wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Now this never really did make a proper pullback like some of the other dollar pairs. I mean, it still looks like it could possibly be 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up, and that it might even end up making five waves down. Which, in Elliott wave terms, it would make way more sense if it did go down, take out the low wave 5, and this was like a 1, this is a 2, and this is a wave 3. So I always try to keep the bullish and the bearish, analysis in mind because this definitely does look very, very possible. I'm really not a big believer that this is what's going to happen, especially looking at other dollar pairs. I think there's a good chance that this may have already just found the bottom and that it may just keep on trending up. I'm just leaving this ABC here just to remind myself that it is very likely and possible that it could go back down. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, if it does go down, if it does break a structure, then I would definitely start looking for shorts. That probably would confirm wave B analysis, and that probably would confirm we were making five waves down for wave C, which would most likely take out the low of wave A, and most likely take out the low of wave 4 on the daily time frame. If it does not break structure, then I would definitely start continue to look for longs. We actually had some pretty nice longs last week, even though it was a very choppy market last week. And it is a holiday this week, but we do have a lot of news on the calendar this week, so keep an eye out for more long opportunities, especially on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, we had a perfect three wave entry on Friday. 1, 2, 3 waves down. But doesn't really get much better than that as far as three wave patterns go. Perfect entry this early this morning. Now, I definitely am still looking for longs unless it goes down and breaks structure. If it goes down and breaks structure, I would start looking for shorts. Even if it does start to drift down, that's not a sell signal for me. If it starts to drift down, I'm going to get excited not to go short, but instead to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend at the end of three-way pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.